Michael.
She's watching the dog. You're scaring the shit out of the dog.
Michael, this is his 32.
Ready?
Hold on. I lost one.
Oh, hold on. I lost the little thingy.
All right, drop it.
I don't think you can hit the broadside of a barn.
Oh, you got it. You got it. Isn't there a stump in the way?
Wow.
Holy shit, did you feel the rebound on that baby?
That tree's coming down.
Look at the tree.
Oh, they killed the tree.
Oh my God.
You can't. Isn't that gun good?
They blew the wood out of there so I can hit it. Don't put wood in front of it next time.
You got it unloaded?